Hey YouTubers, this is Miss Rachel Adina. So in this video we are having our cake and we're eating it too with this elongated, defined, and shiny wash and go routine with zero crunch and a bad body. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay tuned. So what you'll need is a few hair ties for separating, a water bottle, Cantu coconut curling cream, Styler Argan Oil Gel, and last but not least, you'll be needing an oil of your choice. I'll be using the Shea Moisture High Porosity Moisture Seal Elixir. So let's get started. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to saturate my hair a little bit with some water, put it up in a top knot, and take out the section that I want to start with first. You see, that's where those hair ties come in. Oh, but before I do that, you have to make sure that you put on a moisturizer first before going throughout the rest of your hair. This product is amazing. I recommend it to everyone. It's my Cantu coconut curling cream. It works really good at defining the curls and also putting a good amount of moisture on the hair without curling up with the gel. So after I have the piece down that I want to start with, I go ahead and I saturate my hair with as much water as I can. You want your hair to feel really nice and wet and limp after this. Just spray, make sure you target the roots and the ends primarily, just to make sure that you're able to distribute the products well throughout the hair, and the Cantu coconut curling cream will evenly distribute once you do this. So what I'm doing right here is I'm just adding gel to the roots and the very ends of my hair. I also add it on the shaft, but definitely paying more attention to the roots in the end, as it really does make a difference in how your wash and go will lay and how it will last. So make sure that you saturate your hair just the same with ample water so that those products can distribute really well and that it can really activate your natural curl pattern. If you didn't notice in the beginning of the video, I made sure that my hair was finger detangled in the shower prior to doing this wash and go routine. This makes the defining process a lot easier, and it eliminates you having to continually rake your hair and even shingle. But if you want to shingle, you can for even more definition. But this is a quick and easy wash and go routine. But you can go and check out my other wash and go video if you would like to see how to do a more in-depth, much more defined wash and go that will last a little bit longer. So now that I'm at the front of my hair, I just am making sure that my hair is well saturated with water, even more than the rest of my hair, and that I'm adding a little bit more gel. If you want to really add a lot of definition, you could shingle the front of your hair instead of just doing it the way that I'm doing it right now. But this method is definitely sufficient at giving you great definition and great shine. So ladies, once you're done with the last section, you just want to caress your hair with a little bit more gel, pay a little bit more attention to those ends and the top portions of your hair. But look, Miss Rachel Adina is done and I'm loving it. But look, I definitely got a little bit of heat damage. So if you guys would like to see a video on how to camouflage heat damage in a wash and go, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely get that out there for you guys. So ladies, the very last step before blow drying is to add a little bit of oil to the hair to add a little bit of nourishment and shine. So So just like my other wash and go video that is on YouTube for your enjoyment, I am blow drying my hair, making sure that I am not disrupting the curl pattern and letting it dry on its own. And then after my hair is completely dry, I go back in with the blow dryer to add a little bit more stretch and a little bit more body. So this is the curls, honey, and the definition. I love it. I'm not too worried about the heat damage, but I'm gonna turn this wash and go up a level, so keep watching. The benefit of blow drying your hair is not only does it help elongate the curls faster, but it dries the hair much faster. But if you prefer a more defined look and you want your wash and go to last even longer, I definitely recommend that you let your hair air dry for as long as possible before using the blow dryer, if you use it at all. Hey YouTubers, this is Miss Rachel Adina. As you can see, I am so excited about this tutorial I got for you guys. This is my updated wash and go routine. I love this so much. I keep touching it because this wash and go, believe it or not, has zero cast. Like definition, body, movement, shine, but no cast whatsoever. So it's so touchable. This is perfect for date nights or whatever, just a very ideal look. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to rate, like, comment, and subscribe, and engage me in the comment section. What else would you like to see on this YouTube channel? Hit the notification button to get more like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and enjoy your day. Oh my goodness.